Greetings, everyone, and welcome back to the TQQQ Challenge channel. It's time for our monthly check-in, and I'm thrilled to dive into the latest updates with all of you. It's the evening of May 17, 2024, and the current TQQQ price sits at approximately $63, marking a significant increase compared to last month's update where it was at $52. Let's explore an intriguing article published about a month ago titled, TQQQ. Now is the time to consider accumulating. Here's a brief synopsis. TQQQ has gained over 17% since the end of 2023, outperforming the S&P 500. TQQQ is a leveraged ETF that seeks to return 3x the daily return of the Nasdaq 100, making it a proxy for growth stocks. The technical picture for TQQQ is currently uncertain, with the fund below its 50-day moving average, but seasonality and historical performance suggest a potential bullish run in the spring and summer. True to these insights, TQQQ has demonstrated impressive performance since our last update. Another recent article from yesterday highlights TQQQ hitting a new 52-week high at $64.20, attributed to the Nasdaq reaching an all-time high this week. Furthermore, a piece from May 15 reports on Wall Street achieving record closes as inflation data fuels speculation about rate cuts. With consumer prices rising less than expected in April and core CPI decelerating, investors are optimistic about potential interest rate reductions by the Federal Reserve. Given that Nasdaq and TQQQ thrive on interest rate cuts, it comes as no surprise that TQQQ witnessed significant gains this week. Now, let's evaluate our investment performance for May. Remaining steadfast to our strategy, I allocated $1,000 for the month, resulting in a portfolio value of over $6,700 with TQQQ trading at around $63. This translates to a total return of approximately 11%, yielding about $660 in gains. My average cost per share remains stable at around $56. Upon reviewing my transaction history, you'll notice that on May 17, I acquired 16 shares at $63 each. Since December 2023, I've maintained consistency by investing $1,000 monthly, with the overarching goal of accumulating $360,000 over 30 years. I envision this investment of $360,000 potentially growing to several $1 million. Glancing at the TQQQ chart, it's evident that TQQQ still sits roughly 30% lower than its historical peak price of $91. When do you anticipate TQQQ surpassing its all-time high? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. As we navigate through the TQQQ challenge, let's keep the core principles of our investment strategy in mind. Monthly investment, committing to purchasing $1,000 of TQQQ every month for a duration of 30 years. No sales. Resisting the temptation to sell any TQQQ shares throughout the entire 30-year period. No margin. Strictly refraining from borrowing money or engaging in margin trading. I believe that TQQQ holds tremendous potential as a long-term investment avenue, provided we adhere unwaveringly to our strategy. With that in mind, let's stay the course over the next 30 years. That concludes today's update. I eagerly look forward to reconnecting with all of you next month for another round of insights and updates. Take care, and see you soon.